Is it time to buy or sell Lake Resources Ltd stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Lake Resources Ltd. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 18th, 2024, our system has classified Lake Resources Ltd as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 11.93% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 883.64% to negative 11.93%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of negative 76.48% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 100% and negative 91.06%. This translates to a price range from $0 to $0.0732 after a year. Our latest daily update for Lake Resources Ltd includes the headline, Significant movements in Lake Resources Ltd stock price on Wednesday, with a fluctuation of 161.3% between high and low. The Lake Resources Ltd stock price surged 347.81% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, rising from 18.3 cents to 82 cents. During this trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 161.3%, starting at a low of 38.3 cents and reaching a high of $1. Over this period, the price has shown considerable volatility, with an overall gain of 360.65% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price rise, which is a favorable technical indicator. In total, 1 billion more shares were exchanged compared to the previous day, with approximately $976.4 million worth of shares traded. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $1.50, while the lowest price was 15.2 cents. Currently, the price is 45.37%, or 68.1 cents, below the 52-week high, and 95.55%, or $17.60 below the all-time high reached on the 19th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $18.42. Lake Energy, trading under the ticker symbol LITM, has recently made headlines with several significant announcements that could impact its stock price in both the short and long term. On the 14th of November, 2024, the company announced positive preliminary results from initial drilling at the Engo Valley Uranium project in Namibia, which is an encouraging sign for investors. The successful completion of the winter drill program and further exploration is likely to enhance confidence in the company's project viability, potentially driving up the stock price as investor sentiment improves. Additionally, Lake is actively engaging with the investment community. On the 29th of October, 2024, CEO Frank Wheatley presented at the Think Equity Conference, a move that typically helps increase visibility and credibility among potential investors. This kind of engagement can lead to increased trading volumes and interest in the stock. Moreover, the company successfully completed its field exploration season on the Shatford Lake Lithium project earlier in October. This exploration is critical given the growing demand for lithium in clean energy applications, indicating that Snow Lake is strategically positioned in the market. As investors become more aware of the company's exploration successes and potential for resource development, it can lead to bullish sentiment and increased valuations. Overall, these developments highlight Snow Lake Energy's proactive approach to exploration and community engagement, which could result in positive momentum for its stock performance. This situation can be analyzed further as these projects progress and more information becomes available, influencing both short-term trading decisions and long-term investment strategies. Analysts have assigned Snow Lake Resources Ltd stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Snow Lake Resources Ltd. The stock of Snow Lake Resources Ltd exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. On any downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of 26 cents and 24 cents. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, and thus far, the stock has experienced an increase of 426%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has also emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 47 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 164 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Snow Lake Resources Ltd. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock could perform poorly in the coming days. This stock exhibits significant daily movement, or volatility, and presents a broad prediction interval according to the Bollinger Band analysis, categorizing it as high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated 617 ten-thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, equivalent to 161.3%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been 43.03%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Snow Lake Resources Ltd, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Snow Lake Resources Ltd. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could experience a swift upward movement under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for your exit strategy. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Therefore, exercise caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who is adept at managing such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.793, representing a decline of 3.2%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. The relative strength index over a 14-day period is at 90, further amplifying the risk involved. However, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is Snow Lake Resources Ltd. stock a good buy? Snow Lake Resources Ltd. presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these signals sufficient for a buying opportunity. At its current position, the stock is best regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either hold their shares or accumulate more while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold accumulate position since the last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the latest trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 19th of December, we anticipate Snow Lake Resources Ltd. to open lower by approximately 8.54 cents, beginning trading at approximately 73.4 cents. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.